Have you ever wondered what $2 million will get you living in Phuket? Well, this video is for you. This is what happens when you combine world-class design with the best location that Phuket has to offer. You get a masterpiece like this. Hi everyone, I'm Sandy. Welcome back to the Living in Phuket Property channel. Today I am at Anshan Tropicana Estate, a very exclusive community for people who love privacy, elegance, and a life of effortless luxury. Today we will be viewing a 5-bedroom villa perfect for families who want to live in Phuket. Let's go check it out, guys. So here we are at this magnificent villa. It sits on around 1,500 square meter plot of land, perfect for your family. And as you can see, the first thing you sense is the sense of light and space. The developers Anshan Villa, they are known for their elegant U-shaped design, which means each room flows seamlessly into the next, connecting all together at the heart of the villa, this freshwater pool. It is worth noting that this villa is brand new, never lived in before, filled with potential for customization. As you can see, a neighboring family has customized their own villa to have a basketball court, pickleball court, and a spa. What I absolutely love about this room is the vaulted ceiling, as well as this beautiful dining room table, perfect for family dinners. And over here, we have not only one, but 2 kitchens. Check out this beautiful island, perfect for prepping and preparing your food. And over here, we have an Asian kitchen, perfect for cooking Thai aromatic foods to keep the smell away. Okay, now let's go look at where we're going to sleep. To my right, we have one of the guest bedrooms that is also an ensuite, perfect in turning into a kid's bedroom. And now we are at the master bedroom. Here to the left, we have a lot of wardrobe space. And to my right, we have a huge and beautiful bathroom with a standalone bathtub, a shower, and the signature Anshan wall. Now we are in the bedroom. You can sense the amount of space and light that flows in. And to my left, you might be wondering what that area is. As I mentioned before, you can turn it into a sports area, a spa, or anything you please. If you'd like to turn it into a bedroom, that is doable as well. So now we have seen the 2 bedrooms. Let's go look at the other 3 that faces the pool. To my right, we have another ensuite guest bedroom with a lot of natural light coming in. And now we are walking into the 4th huge bedroom. Imagine waking up to the view of this freshwater pool. How amazing is that? And look at the storage space. And in my opinion, whenever I walk into the bathroom, I feel like I am in a 5-star hotel. Finally, let's go look at the last standalone bedroom, perfect for when you have guests visiting. Okay, now through these sliding doors, you can truly see the centerpiece of the villa, which is the huge freshwater pool. You can see it's a beautiful day in Phuket, but if you need protection from the sun, you can go under this huge sala. Imagine having your next barbecue party here. How amazing would that be? And now we are at the stand-alone bedroom, which means that it's like its own apartment. It's not connected to the rest of the villa, which is perfect for when you have guests or relatives visiting because they will have complete privacy. Let's go, guys. Now we are at the fifth and final bedroom. You can see the amount of space you have to work with. I would say it's bigger than most studio apartments here in Phuket. And with this area, you can turn it into anything. My personal favorite would be turning it into a lounge. You also have your wardrobe space as well as the 5-star bathroom experience.
Thank you to our wonderful host Sandy for showing us this absolutely beautiful 5-bedroom villa, which is on the market for 70 million Thai baht. Now this place is absolutely perfect for families living in Phuket. It's a huge space, 5 bedrooms. You've got UWC school just around the corner, not to mention Boat Avenue, Port of Phuket, Bang Tao Beach, and all the amenities that you can find in this wonderful growing area of Phuket. Now, if you are interested in getting more information about this property, there's a link to the listing in the description to this video, or if you'd like to schedule an in-person or virtual viewing, you can contact us using our links that are on the screen right now. With that said, thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.
ค่ะทุกคน See you next time.